Ever wondered which nations keep the world's lights on? Discover the top 25 powerhouses fueling the global economy in 2026. Number 25, Argentina, 160 TWh. Number 24, Egypt, 175 TWh. Number 23, Poland, 180 TWh. Number 22, Thailand, 230 TWh. Number 21, South Africa, 250 TWh. Number 20, Vietnam, 270 TWh. Number 19, Australia, 275 TWh. Number 18, Spain, 280 TWh. Number 17, Italy, 290 TWh. Number 16, Indonesia, 310 TWh. Number 15, Turkey, 315 TWh. Number 14, United Kingdom, 320 TWh. Number 13, Iran, 375 TWh. Number 12, Mexico, 380 TWh. Number 11, France, 445 TWh. Number 10, Saudi Arabia, 450 TWh. Number 9, Germany, 580 TWh. Number 8, South Korea, 620 TWh. Number 7, Canada, 680 TWh. Number 6, Brazil, 720 TWh. Number 5, Japan, 1050 TWh. Number 4, Russia, 1180 TWh. Number 3, India, 1920 TWh. Number 2, United States, 4450 TWh. Number 1, China, 9850 TWh.